Hey folks, a cloudy, cool Monday across the valley following yesterday's front. Readings today, for the most part, have been in the 50s. The exception's been right along the coast where it's been in the upper 40s all day long, and the wind's a little stronger there. So if you just drive from Harlingen into the island, it feels a whole lot cooler when you get to the beach just because of that northerly wind, and temperatures 5 to 7 degrees cooler. Overnight tonight, readings won't go much of anywhere. We're going to hold right around 49-50 across the area. And then tomorrow we bounce back up into the low 60s, but not because of any sunshine. We're still going to have cloudy skies, probably some on and off light rain and drizzle. Still a cool day. But then we warm up after that. 62 tomorrow, back to 78 on Wednesday. Some of the models are saying we'll reach 80 and then 84 on Thursday, and still warm on Friday. Saturday, there's a big question mark in where we're going to end up. Now, the Doppler network right now shows nothing over the area. We suspect that will change later tonight. The clouds are certainly out there, and Future Track says the clouds will be there all night. And as the night goes on, light rain and drizzle develops, and it's with us much of tomorrow. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's just cloudy skies, and the misty drizzle shows up from time to time as the moisture comes back in on top of us. But by Wednesday, the southerly flow kicks in. That starts to warm things up, and then we get some sunshine. So by Wednesday afternoon, we're back in the upper 70s again. Our chance of rain, about 40% tomorrow, but it's all light stuff, hardly anything measurable at all. And then spotty showers left over mainly in the morning on Wednesday. By afternoon, that should be out of here. And Thursday looks mainly dry, maybe completely dry, but if there's something out there, it'll be very, very isolated on Thursday. The colder temperatures got a building down right through the middle part of the country. You can see it's colder in East Texas than in West Texas. This is where the cold air is funneling in, and we're just getting kind of a little piece of it. Coldest stuff, certainly Houston at 46, Longview at 43. That cold air will eventually retreat. It'll warm back up. Then the next front comes in Friday night or Saturday. Question mark about how strong that's going to be for us. Let's watch. One front down to the south. That's the one that came through yesterday. It starts to move back northward and eventually turns into a warm front. Drizzle goes away. We start to warm up on Wednesday. We continue the warm up on Thursday and even into Friday. But then by Friday night and Saturday, this front with some cold air behind it will get close. The question is, will it actually get close enough or go all the way through the area? The models do not agree on that right now, but they're all starting to suggest that even if it does go through, it's not going to be cold for us, just maybe a little bit cooler. So our forecast very much subject to change over the next few days. Quick check of the temperatures up north. There you can see that it's in the 30s, but you go farther north. Look at Williston up there at 3, and Miles City's 0, Bismarck's 2, Fargo's 3. Some very cold temperatures on the weather map up to the north, but again, that push of cold air stays north of us. So tonight, cloudy with some light rain and drizzle developing. Temperatures go nowhere. Tomorrow we warm up a little, but not a lot. 60s with cloudy skies, chilly conditions, and a little bit of light rain and drizzle around the area. For Valentine's Day, we're closer to 80. Some places might touch 80. 84 on Thursday, a breezy day. Friday, if there's any thunderstorms, will be Friday night. Most of the day should be dry. Much cooler on Saturday, but that number is subject to change depending on the strength of that front. Latest runs of the model say doesn't get that cool at all. We'll get a better idea of it as the day goes on. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.